Good morning to everyone. Once again, I'm welcoming to you to our chapter 1 discussion. So today the topic of the day it is estimation of the number. Whenever I will write the word estimation, so 100% everyone has one question in his mind that what do you mean by estimation? So before describing the word estimation, I want to give you one of the example. Suppose once your father is giving you some amount that you just have to take the amount and you have to spend it in one of the fair. And in the fair you have already spent 99 rupees and 50 paisa suppose. And on returning from the fair, whenever your father is asking that how much amount you have spent so far in the fair, okay, so without any calculation 99 rupees 50 paisa, it means you are saying that nearly I have spent the 100 rupees, nearly I have spent the 100 rupees. So this nearer amount, otherwise approximate value of the amount, it is called as our estimation. Suppose one of the pen price it is 32, you are saying that the pen price it is nearly 30 rupees, so that one it is called as our estimation. Suppose you spent 102 rupees at anywhere and you are saying that I spent 100 rupees, so this one it is called as our estimation. So estimation means the calculation of the approximate value of any of the number which is nearer to that number, it is called as our estimation. Understood or not understood? And estimation can be done by using the help of the rounding up to the nearest 10, rounding up to the nearest 100, and rounding up to the nearest 1000. So estimation can be done by rounding up to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, so on. Then after also nearest 10,000 also it can be done. Understood or not understood? So first I want to show you how to find out the nearest 10 nearest value whenever we will rounded the number to the nearest 10. So nearest 10 rounded up, how to get? Understood or not understood? Just see few of the examples. Suppose one of the number it is 64, and whenever I am asking that 64, can you estimate it to the nearest 10? Estimate 64 to the nearest 10. So actually its real meaning it is 64 lies between which tens. 64 lies between 60 and 70. 64 lies between 60 and 70. So from the 64 it is 4 gap, and from 70 64 it is 6 gap. So which one it is nearer? So as the 60 it is nearer, so estimation of the 64 to the nearest 10 it is our 60. Understood or not understood? In the same way, whenever I am showing you one of the 3-digit number, this one it is our 986, and I am asking this number it lies between which two tens? Actually it lies between 98 tens and 99 tens. Otherwise 980 and 990. Actually 980 means 98 10 and 990 means 99 tens. Ready? And 986 is 6 number gap from the 980, and it is 4 number gap from 990, as it is less number gap from the 990, for which nearest 10 it is our 990. But now I want to give you the shortcut trick. By using that shortcut trick you can easily say that the number its nearest 10 it is how much, and nearest 100 equal to how much, also nearest 1000 it is equal to how much. Understood or not understood? Before that you just have to remember ones place, then after tens place, then after 100, then after 1000. So tens its nearest previous place is ones. Hundreds its nearest previous place is tens place. 1000 its nearer previous place it is our 100. So whenever nearest tens it will be asked, nearest 10 it will be asked, its previous ones place we need to check. Whenever nearest 100 it will be asked, it means its tens place we need to check. So tens means previous place ones we need to check. Hundreds means we need to check the previous tens place. Whenever nearest 1000 it will be asked, we just have to check the previous place, which it is your 100 place. Okay, so first I am showing you the nearest 100 calculation. First number it is 64. So whenever you are getting any number and there it is asked that you have to find out the nearest 10, always you have to check your ones place digit. In the 64, the ones place digit it is our 4. In 64, our ones place digit it is 4. Remember one thing, whenever the ones place digit it is less than 5, whenever the ones place digit it is less than 5, then after you just have to replace the ones place digit it as the 0. Replace the ones place digit it as the 0. Rest of the remaining digit it will remain same. Clear, clear, clear. So it means ones place should be replaced by 0. Rest of the remaining digit it will remain same without any change. Ready? Another thing, remember, if the ones place it is 5 or more than 5, if the ones place it will be 5 or more than 5, then the ones place it is replaced by 0. Ones place it is replaced by 0, but the remaining left side digit it should be replaced to its next number. If the remaining digits are suppose 51, so it will be replaced by 52. If it is 6, then after it should be replaced by 7. Okay, so just like this, another question I am showing. You just have to see the another question. In the another question, the number it is 986, and it is asked you just have to find out the nearest tens of this number. Otherwise, estimate the number to the nearest 10. Otherwise, rounded up to the number to the nearest 10. So it means we need to check. Tens means it's a previous place, ones place we need to check. So whenever we are checking the ones place, we got that the ones place digit it is 6. And I said whenever the ones place digit it is less than 5, remaining digit it will remain same, but ones place should be replaced by 0. But here it is ones place digit it is 5 or more than 5. And whenever it is 5 or more than 5, ones place digit should be replaced by 0. But the remaining digit, how much 98, it should be replaced to its next number. 98 should be 99. So for which its nearest 10, it is our 990. Is it okay? Next one I am showing another example that how to estimate a number to its nearest 100. So nearest 100 means which digit I need to check? Nearest 100 means I need to check the tens place, because the 100 means previous it is our tens place. So here it is one of the number, it is 423. So whenever you are getting a number and it is asked that you need to check the its nearest 100 it is how much, we need to check the tens place it is how much. Here the tens place it is 2. Whenever the tens place it is, whenever the tens place digit it is less than 5, whenever the tens place digit it is less than 5, remember whenever the tens place digit it is less than 5, you just have to replace the unit place and tens place by 0. But the remaining means previous digit it should remain same. Previous digit it should remain same. Less than 5 tens digit, so it means remaining hundreds digit it will remain same. So it means here it is the 100 digit it is our 2. So as it is 2, I said 100 digit and 1 digit should be replaced by 0, 0. And the previous number it will be how much? Previous digit it is our 4, it will remain same. So the nearest 100 it is our 400. Ready? Another question I am showing where you can get the information whenever it will be 5 and more than 5. So its nearest 100 it will be how much? Okay. See, the number it is 3482. So 3482 it is a 4-digit number and it is asked that you just have to find out the number to the nearest 100. So nearest 100 means I need to check the hundreds place. 100 plus 5, 100 means, 100 means tens place I need to check. 100 previous place it is our tens place. So here the tens place it is 8, and I have said that whenever the tens place it is 5 or more than 5, here it is more than 5. So then after ones place and a tens place should be replaced by 0. It may be less than 5, otherwise more than 5 or more than 5. Or whenever we are making it as the rounding up to the nearest 100. 100 means 100 place and the tens place and the ones place always should be replaced by 0. Okay, but the important one is as it is more than 5 or more than 5 the tens place, so for which how much the 100 place digits are there, 34 it is in the 100 place, 34. So that remaining digit should be replaced to its next number. So 34 should be replaced to its next number. So it means 3500. Understood or not understood? So then after I want to show you how to estimate a number to its nearest 1000. So nearest 1000 means 1000 before which place comes? 100 place come. So whenever it is asked that we need to find out the estimated number to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 means its previous place value digit we need to check. So its previous digit, it is our 100 plus digit. 100 plus digit we need to check. If the 100 plus digit it is less than 5, then after 100 plus digit, tens plus digit and ones plus digit, it should be replaced by 0, 0, 0. Then after the previous number, how much it is left, that one it should remain same. Whenever the 100 place digit it is 5 or more than 5, the previous how much it is left, that should be replaced to its next number. Ready? So here it is in the 2403, the 100 plus digit it is our 4. So as it is 100 plus digit it is less than 5. So for which 100 plus digit should be replaced by 0, tens plus 0 and ones plus 0. But the previous one means how much? 1000 in the 1000 how much it is left. Otherwise apart from the 1, 10 and 100 digit, you just have to hide how much it will be left. It will remain same. It means 2 followed by 30. Next one I am showing here in the next number 9567. Here it is asked that you have to estimate the number to the nearest 1000. So nearest 1000 means we need to check the 100 plus digit, it is how much. So here the 100 plus digit it is 5. So 5, I said if it is 5 or more than 5, then after 100, 10 and ones place it should be replaced by 0. As we are talking about the 1000, it means 100, 10 and 1 always it should be 0. Whenever nearest 100 means 10 and 1 should be 0. Nearest 10 means first place it should be 0. So here it is, as we are getting the 100 plus digit, it is 5 or more than 5, and here it is perfectly it is 5. So for which the previous one it is how much left? Before the 5 it is 9. So for which 9 should be replaced to its next number. The next number it is 10. So for which 10 and it should be followed by 30. So it means it is your 10,000. Understood or not understood? Okay, so now we will do the question where it is asked that you have to find out the estimated sum, estimated difference. This type of question we will follow. Understood or not understood? So here it is one of the question it is given. First question it is given, question number 1 it is given. Find out the estimated sum of 730 plus 998. 730 and 998. As both the numbers are 3-digit number, so 3-digit number means highest place it is our 100. So for which we have to find out the first number to its nearest 100 and second number also its nearest 100. See, 730 is rounded up to the nearest 100 equal to nearest 100 means 10th digit we need to check, and here the 10th digit it is less than 5. It means 3 which is less than 5. So for which 100 means our 10 place and 1's place it should be replaced by 0, and previous one it is 7, for which that 7 it will remain same. Ready? So for which is 730 rounded up to the nearest 100, it is our 700. And 998 here we need to find out the nearest 100. So nearest 100 means 10th digit we need to check, and here the 10th digit it is our 9. 10th digit it is 5 or more than 5. Then after 5 or more than 5, then after the previous number it should be replaced to its next. So here it is the 10th digit it is our 9. So for which the previous digit 9 it should be replaced to its next number, it is our 10. 10 followed by 20 which is equal to 1000. So the estimated sum is equal to 700 plus 1000 which is equal to 1700. Understood or not understood? So in the same way, we need to check the question number C. In the question number C, it is given also the same instruction. It is same, that you just have to estimate the sum. estimate the sum it is asked. Okay, so here it is asked that we have to find out the estimated sum of 12,904 and 2,888. So one of the number, it is a 5-digit number, another one it is a 4-digit number. So 4-digit number means highest place it is our 1000. So smallest number is which one? Accordingly, we have to find out the estimated number of the first one, also estimated number of the second one. So first we have to find out the estimated 1000 of the first number. It is equal to how much? 1000 means we need to check our 100 place digit. So here the 100 place digit, it is 9. As the 100 place digit, it is 9, which is 5 or more than 5. So for which previous 12 it should be replaced to its next number. So 12 its next number, it will be 13. 13 followed by 3 zeros. Thereafter 2888, it is rounded off to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 means we need to check the 100 place digit, it is how much. Here the 100 place digit, it is 8. 8 means 5 or more than 5. Whenever it is 5 or more than 5, so previous one 2 it is left. 2 should be replaced to its next means 3. So for which the estimated sum is equal to 13,000 plus 3,000, which is equal to 16,000. Understood or not understood? Everyone clear? Thereafter, another question number 2 it is given. Question number 2 and question number 1 also, another 2 bits also there. Just like I have done the question number 1 and question number 1A and C, rest of the remaining question you have to do it accordingly. Okay. And question number 2, first question it is given. You just have to find out the estimated sum. Estimated sum to the nearest 100 and also find out the estimated sum to the nearest 10 also. Number it is same. But in the first bit, you just have to find out the estimated sum to the nearest 100, and in the second bit, you have to find out the estimated sum to the nearest 10. So first I am showing the number, it is 1,08,737 plus 47,599. You just have to first we will find out the nearest 100 of the sum. Thereafter we will find out the nearest 10 of the sum. So before getting the nearest 10, we have to find out the nearest 10 of the first number, nearest 100 of the first number, nearest 100 of the second number. Then after estimated sum equal to how much. So first number, in the first number 1,08,737, to get the nearest 100, nearest 100 means tens place digit we need to check, and here the tens place digit it is our 3. As it is 3 means less than 5, so for which previous number 1087 it will remain same. 1087 followed by 2 zeros. 100 means followed by 2 zeros. Ready? Thereafter another number 47,599. Here the tens place it is, as we have to find out the nearest 100, so it means we need to check the tens place it is how much. So here the tens place digit it is 9. As the tens place digit is 9, it means 5 or more than 5. So for which previously it is how much left? 475. 475 left. So that is to be replaced to its next number. So 476 followed by 2 zeros. So the estimated sum is equal to 1,08,700 plus 47,600. So here it is given that estimated difference. Sorry, here it is given that estimated difference. So their difference it is equal to, so estimated difference equal to 1,08,700 minus 47,600, which is equal to 61,100. Whenever the same question it is asked and you need to find out the estimated difference to the nearest 10. See, nearest 10 means which digit we need to check, ones place digit we need to check. So first question it is given that the same number, it means 1,08,737, we need to find out the nearest 10 of this number. Nearest 10 means we need to check the ones place. So here the ones place it is 7. As the ones place it is 7, the left side remaining number it should be replaced to its next. So it means that as it is 7, it means 5 or more than 5. So for which 10873, it becomes 10874. 3 becomes 4. And it is replaced by, and 7 ones place digit, it is replaced by 10. As it is nearest to 10, for which ones place it should be replaced by 0. Ready? And another number it is 47,599. Its nearest 10 we need to check. It means first ones place we need to check. And here the ones place it is 9, which is 5 or more than 5. So for which previous number 4759, it will be replaced to the next. It should be replaced to the next means 4759 plus 1 equal to 4760. It means 4760 and ones place another 0. So the estimated difference, it is equal to 1,08,740 minus 47,600, which is equal to 61,140. Understood or not understood? In the question number 3, it is asked that you have to estimate the product. Estimate the product. First bit it is estimate the product of 578 into 161 by using the general rule. So general rule means whenever it is a 3-digit number means highest place it is 100, nearest 100. And whenever it is 2-digit number, it means its highest place it is tens place. So that number you just have to find out the nearest 10. 2-digit number means nearest 10, 3-digit number means nearest 100, and 4-digit number means nearest 1000 you need to find out. Okay, so in the first question it is given that you just have to estimate the product of 578 into 161. As both the numbers are of a 3-digit number, for their highest place it is our 100. So for which 578 is rounded up to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means tens digit we need to check, and in the 578 the tens digit it is our 7. Tens digit it is our 7. Whenever the tens digit it is 7 means 5 or more than 5, then the previous number becomes replaced by the next. It means 5 becomes 6. Then after 7 and 8 both should be replaced by 00. 7 replaced by 0 and 8 should be replaced by 0. So 578 rounded off to the nearest 100, it is equal to 600. In the same way 161, it is rounded up to the nearest 100, it is equal to 200. How it is 200? Just to check the tens place digit of the 161. Here the tens place digit it is your 6, which is 5 or more than 5. Whenever 6 it is 5 or more than 5, then the previous number it is how much? 1. 1 becomes 2. Then after 6 and 0 should be replaced by 00. So for which it is our 200. So the estimated product of 578 into 161 is equal to 600 into 200, which is equal to 12 followed by 40. Otherwise 1,20,000. Understood or not understood? Okay, next question it is given that question number 3D I am doing. Okay, so one of the number it is 9,250 into 29. So find the estimated product of 9,250 into 29. So first number it is a 4-digit number and second number it is a 2-digit number. So our formula it is, as it is the 4-digit number, for which we need to find out the nearest 1000 of the first number, and second one it is the 2-digit number, for which we need to find out the nearest 10 of the second number. So in the first number, see, nearest 1000 means we need to check the hundreds place it is how much. Hundreds place digit it is 2. Hundreds place digit it is 2, which is less than 5. 100 place digit it is less than 5. So for which previous number how much left? Previous it is 9. So 9 it will remain same. If it is 5 or more than 5, then the previous should be replaced to the next. Otherwise if it is less than 5, so it means previous one it will remain same. So as it is 2 means less than 5, so the previous one 9, it should remain 9. And from that digit, next digit, then after another next digit, all the next digit it should be replaced by 0. It means 9 followed by 30, it means 9,000. And 29 nearest 10 means I need to check the ones place it is our how much. In the 29 the ones place digit it is our 9, which is 5 or more than 5. It is more than 5 number, 5 or more than 5 number. So whenever 5 or more than 5, then the previous one it should be replaced to the next number. So 2 becomes 3 and 2 becomes 3. Then after how many digits left? 1 digit. That 1 digit should be replaced by 0. So 29 is rounded up to the nearest 10. It is our 30. So the estimated product, it is equal to 9000 into 30 is equal to 2,70,000. Understood or not understood? Just like I have done the question number 3A and D, the rest of the remaining 2 questions, I hope it can be done by you. Okay, so which questions I have left from the question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3, all these questions you have to attempt and write it in your CW copy. Anywhere, any problem, feel free to contact me. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.